Welcome. This is a short meditation to help you to ground your energies and to either prepare yourself for the day to come or for a good night's sleep. Sit comfortably in possibly a dim lit room. Adjust your body to where you are. Now close gently your eyes. Take a deep breath in, a deep breath out, and again 2 more times. A deep breath in, a deep breath out. A deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Let all go. Any thoughts, feelings, worries, let it all go when you breathe out. Imagine now that in the center of your heart chakra, in the middle of your chest, there is a flame. It's a beautiful flame. And take this flame, imagine it, all the way down to the center of Mother Earth, going through all the different layers of our beloved planet. And when you get to the center of Mother Earth, take your flame around it 3 times. And now take it all the way up back in your heart chakra. Going through again all the different layers. And so doing, you pick up all the beautiful energies also of Mother Earth. And you bring it back inside your heart chakra. And now take it, your flame, all the way up to the center of our galaxy, all the way up to the sun. Imagine our beautiful sun in the center of the galaxy. And take your flame around 3 times. And take it back in your heart chakra. And like this, you also get a lot of power from the sun. A lot of beautiful spiritual power that you might need for whatever is coming, if you're doing this meditation in the morning, or for whatever needs to happen tonight while you're sleeping. And by doing this short meditation process, you also held in balance between Mother Earth and the sun. And that will really help you in your life. Because now your core is very strong, so much stronger. And it will help you to handle a lot. And it also helps to let go of many worries you might be having at the moment in your mind. And we thank you for being here today in this short meditation with us. And please remember, you can repeat it also during the day, whenever you need it. It's just a little medicine for yourself, for your energies, and few minutes that you spend in taking care of yourself. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be.